When your building has an overhang truss, we recommend installing the truss once the wall panel installation is complete for the wall surface you are working on. Your W drawings will indicate your overhang location as shown here. Your building kit will have overhang truss mounts pre-installed on the building columns. If you have overhangs on your building, make sure you have installed the correct building columns to accommodate the overhangs where needed. Refer to the web truss column installation video for more details. It is good practice to drill a pilot hole from the inside of the building through the exterior panel at each connection point. Using a reamer drill bit for metal, ream out the hole to match the size of the hole in the connector plate. If you have a panel high rib fall on the mount where the overhang truss will connect to the column, then the high rib will need to be cut out. You can do this by measuring from each hole to the edge of the connection plate and mark this on your wall panel. Remove the section of high rib from the panel with a nibbler or shears. In our example, the mount falls in the flat of the panel, so no high rib removal is necessary. The bolts required to attach the overhang truss to your column will be found on the truss hardware list as shown, indicated by bolts and nuts to be used at large overhangs. Carefully lift the overhang truss into place and insert the bolts and attach the nuts at the overhang connection. Tighten the nuts fully before removing support from the overhang truss. Continue this process for all remaining overhang trusses on your project. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.